How to change profile picture on Messenger mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Messenger mobile. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have a Messenger app opened up here. So once you click on your profile icon at the top left corner, you should see your profile picture over here as well as the display name you have on Facebook or Messenger. So from here, you can't actually change your profile picture directly on the Messenger app. So what we're going to do is to go to the home page and open up Facebook. So if you don't have that, just open up the App Store or your Play Store and download the Facebook app and log into your account. And to change your profile picture on Messenger, you should change it through Facebook. So to do that, just click on this menu icon right here at the bottom right hand corner and click on see your profile. Once you are at your profile page, just click on this little camera icon and these options should pop up. Just click on select profile picture and you can either select photo from your camera roll from your suggested photos. Facebook also suggests some profile frames right here, or you can also select from your already uploaded photos on your Facebook account. So I'm just going to select a photo from my uploads, and you can then click on edit if you want. So you can crop it as you like, add stickers, emojis, and that you can also crop it out. So you want to select the part of the picture you want to show in your profile. You can also type in a caption right here. And you can also opt to share your updates newsfeed, or if you don't want to share it, just click on this checkmark button so that it won't show up on your newsfeed. You can also make it temporary, add frames again, and just click on save once you have set all your profile picture up. And wait for that to load up so that it will be saved as your profile picture. Now that has been set, and we should go back to our Messenger app, and that should immediately change your profile picture on Messenger mobile as well. So that is it on how to change profile picture on Messenger mobile. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.